From personalized prosthetics and dental appliances to medicines, rockets, and beyond, a new and exciting manufacturing revolution is underway. Additive manufacturing technologies, commonly known as 3D printing technologies, are at the heart of this revolution. But the success of any additive manufacturing process is only as dependable as the materials in play. For a high-quality 3D structure, you need high-quality component materials with the right physical and chemical properties. And this is where Malvern Panalytical can help. Whether it's particle or polymer characterization, elemental analysis, or residual stress determination, our characterization solutions are enabling our partners and the world at large to embrace the possibilities of a new manufacturing revolution. So, join the revolution. Partner with us at malvernpanalytical.com and discover how we can help you optimize your materials for additive manufacturing.